Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video. So I'm here with my brand new Motorola G85 Android phone. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do not one, but two karate chops to turn on the phone's torch. That's the flashlight right there, next to the camera. Okay, so it's actually real simple to do. However, if you've just got this phone, you're probably not aware of this feature. It's a really cool feature what's only found on some Motorola phones. Okay, so just follow the steps I'm about to show. Just pull down the notification panel twice. And then select the settings. And once you're in the settings, scroll down to where it says gestures. Select gestures and then scroll down again. And keep scrolling to where it says fast torch. Select it. Okay, so once you're in the fast torch option here, you will see a demo as to how this works. So you have to do two karate chop motions to turn it on. Okay, so here you will see use fast torch. If it's already switched off, just go ahead and turn it on. Also, when you do the two karate chop motions to turn on the flashlight, you'll feel a vibration. However, if you don't want to feel a vibration, select the settings icon here and you can turn it off. However, I like to keep the vibration option turned on. It just makes me aware, it alerts me that it has actually worked. My two karate chop motions has actually worked and the flashlight has been enabled, it's been turned on. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate it now. Okay, so as you can see, the flashlight is off. So let's do two karate chop motions. As you can see, it's now turned on. Do it again twice. It's now turned off. Do it again twice to turn it on. Do it again twice to turn it off. It's that simple. So yeah, guys, that's just my quick video showing you how to do two karate chop motions to turn on the flashlight on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button. Also, share the video. Follow me over on TikTok as well. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. And I'm out. Deuces.